PICO prompting. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because sometimes PICO, I hope you all know PICO.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When we create the research question, and it is there in evidence-based medicine. It is there when we teach research methodology. So the PICO framework is population, intervention, comparison, and the outcome. So this is when we want to create a research question. Any topic, we want to create a research question and then ask create a prompt and ask for the references. And the students, we want to teach students how to design a research question and from a clinical scenario and organize them into certain medical databases or some question and ultimately create a study design based on then and then make a review of literature and then we create it. And this is applicable everywhere. And whatever clinical work we are doing and the research we are doing, there is evidence. So let's see. We will now apply this. Okay, now this time I'm going straight to perplexity. And because I have liked it better, and so I'll just place a prompt. Oh, just a moment. Give a properly formatted PICO question to compare the effectiveness of cognitive behavioral therapy versus SSRIs in treatment of depression in adolescents, with remission at 12 weeks as the primary outcome. Then suggest appropriate search terms for each PICO element and explain which study design would best answer this question. So here we have all the four portions and the population, adolescent,
Excuse me,
the
sir.
intervention,
Sir, we cannot see the screen actually. Just
the comparison, the outcome. Best study design, randomized controlled trial.
सर वो परप्लेक्सिटी वाली सीन ही दिख रही है, अभी बाकी नहीं दिख रहा कुछ.
एक मिनट जरा. Okay, I have a perplexity open in two windows. Just a moment. I'll just stop share and then. Yes. So I have created a prompt and ask it to create a PICO question to compare the effectiveness of behavioral therapy in depression. The population is adolescents with remission at 12 weeks, the intervention, and then the search teams asked it to give me the search for each PICO element. The comparison is also there and the considered the outcome which I want. So see, it has given me the PICO format and also it has given me these 9 sources from where it has taken. And yes, the answer is there. Just a moment. Yes. So the PICO question is there. Population, intervention, comparison, and outcome. They are all there. And study design, randomized control trial, etc. Everything is there.
5 में से -1 करना नहीं आ रहा है 5 - 4
Yes. And we can even see it has given us some related questions in which we can create one. Just tell it that create it in PICO format. We can. So this is how prompting takes place. And sometimes you can even upload paper and ask it to create a PICO format, or one paper or two paper or three papers or five papers, and ask them combined, or even ask it to give me the research gaps in these papers, what is there in it and what is not there in it. So what has not been researched, you can go into that also to create some new research on which nobody has investigated. That those topics also it generates.